Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. So welcome to another drive, and today we're gonna talk about the weather. Bitaw. Yeah, it's been a while since we see this one. Gani ka-gloomy ang weather ba? We had a tough, La Nina time, and it's January now. We're approaching summer, and I guess we would need some rains as well, diba? It's a good thing na wag yun giuwan ang sinulog. It was really a sunny day, but we also need rains, diba? Kanang laday ulan. Okay, why ulan ba? Lisod kayo, why ulan ba? Sabi ni Hunong muling deep. Lisod kayo, why ulan ba? Ang mga tanom mo, di ba? And there are many farmers, di ba? Ang weather, sometimes you always want sunny, but di sa pwede lang sunny kasi ang ulan, importante kaya we have farmers, especially if you eat rice, so, di ba? Kinahanglan ng ulan, no? Kinahanglan ng ulan, grabe ka ng rice, kinahanglan ng tubig, di ba? Kinahanglan may nagtubig kung lutuon, kung saan ka kung patubuon ba, diba? Gana ka importante yung tubig, especially for us who are dependent on rice, diba? Even wheat tingali. Diba? Ang uban mo yun, di man may mag-rice, mag-pan man may maisad na tubag. Bravo. But anyway, yes, we can talk also about weather, atong diet, our food. Diba? Kumusta ang food situation? Sometimes we take for granted kung sa syudad ta, na available man na kay sudan giluto. But una-unaon usahay na, yeah, we asam nagikan ni mga sudan, mga utan, mga baboy, mga karne. In the past years, bro, threatened ba kaya na kanang mga meat industry nato. Labi na dahil mga ASF, dahil mga parang mga sakit-sakit sa baboy ba? Diba? It has been tough for them. Diba? Kana magigana ba na hopefully mo recover kita, pero naagin na yung mga sakit-sakit na mga abutay na abutay pa lang dapat nato ikuhan nyo na tagaan itong pagtagad taghan na ito usahay ay dali na kayo na we always just take it for granted. Wow, what's really bagong belo? Body reset. It's what's body reset, girl. Is it Catriona Gray? Yeah, Catriona Gray. Kana mga yana na concerns na ba? Dato na kayo na ka na mga imong concerns na mga naong di mo yung lawas, imong i-reset. Pero kung pang tao, ilang concern kayo mo kaon paghihapon, diba? Kaon. Kaon akong sa ano to how can they eat 3 times a day? Diba dapat inganaon na to na pagkunahuna na there are people who still who needs that. And then kaning rain is a blessing. Ano ko alang ba? Okay, sa tubig, especially coming summer na, I take for granted na nato why enough reserves na nakastore na tubig, diba? Sa Manila, for example, asang tao di na makaligo, diba? Makuanta na ba kung kayo pareho na last summer, sa mga init kito na summer, so kayo issue ng tubig pangligo, di na maligo mga tao, pero mana it's good that ngani di na to na iting for granted ba or lipay ta di sa taga ng sobra-sobra lagi, but there are seasons, times, months na we would want some rains to come. Diba, mas mabugnaw pang panahon, diba? Padoon na di mo init lagi, diba? Kung init na may gali ron i-adjust na nila ang mga klase sa mga bata. The kids will have their vacation probably soon. Diba, kay balik naman nila June ang klase na. It was really logical. There's always, it's nice to say na pareho na to sa international schedules. Pero mas bali man tingali gyapon to tong schedule na mag-una ta. For example, mo transfer na ang bata kita abroad, diba? Kung nag-graduate na ka Marso, you have enough time for September opening kung musikag higher education, diba? Diba sa higher institutions, ang point lang ana ba? And ayan, plus mao lagi na the kids can be at home kaysa sa school usahay na mo wala enough ventilation, wala diba? Init kaayo when those times are not supposed to be, when we're kids, we don't spend it indoors. Summer, outdoors, yeah. You go to the beach, you go to the open fields, fly a kite. Lahat naman ng mga bata asap noon kay the new generation. They might not go to the open fields anymore. They might just go stay at home, watch YouTube, and increase your electricity bill. Pero tapos din na tayo encourage yung mga kawan. Plus din na ng summer ba na mo yung mga sports activities, clinics. Nang you wanna learn basketball, you wanna learn swimming. Diba nindot mo to sa summer time, ginibutang kaysa ka to sa to nag-up June to September. Sa iting uwan na marabag naghana kay guan ba in summer nindot na marabag nindot na mo enter yung sports sa mga bata. Who knows, we will develop, diba, mga Carlos Yulo, a lot of our favorite basketball players, mga athletes develop their skills over summers. So hopefully yes, kani mga sports program like Milo, go Milo. Iko ana to, please Milo, please. Pito nga na mga companies, they should help, promote healthier lifestyle. Say magud ay mga kumpanya na sa una nga mga kumpanya na puro tamis ilang ibaligya, diba? They have to balance it somewhere, diba? Pero anyway, yes, it's a chill drive di agit ang Mandaue. Maning kuha na to. Drive safely kin sa mga kayawa ni Joel Galgadira abot mag-Mandaue pa pa niya. And yeah, that's the next thing to do. Pohon wala pa yung Regal Iliva, the pride of Mandaue. We'll see, diba na yung mga bagong kaganapan sa Mandaue, makadagan o balik si Jonas, and this is gonna be a slam bang affair, diba? Will be the, will Jonas retain his Mandaue mayorship, really championship, Mandaue mayorship. He has beaten this challenger before. Jonas, I think, still undefeated. Undisputed, undefeated in Mandaue so far, but and iyang opponent, his opponent, comes from a clan of champions as well. Yeah. So na ba? So it's gonna be an interesting fight that is Mandaue. Probably mag-uwan din is Mandaue, mag-uwan o kwarta. Who knows? Pero I'm not a voter here. Pero yeah, of course, vote wisely. Follow your heart. Choose, diba? Choose choose Mandaue, choose the right one for Mandaue, I would say. Kung kamu butante dire, di ba? Di ba? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you sa mga next Laguna drives. It's been a pleasure, you know. Piloting, showing you around, and I hope to see you once again tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye.